Hey everybody, it's Sean from All Dreams Travel. We just checked in and had lunch on the Disney Dream, and now we're back to our stateroom 6690 on the Disney Dream. So here is the room tour. You walk in, you've got your closets on the left. Let's take a look at that. Life vests. Your safe is down here. Some little space. Then we've got another closet, which is right here. Some more space for shelves and hanging and shoes. Then on your left, there's some little areas to store stuff. The ice bucket, glasses, 3 drawers right here. Then you've got the bed, which you can see down below there. You can store luggage under. And we've got a Bon Voyage package here. It's one of the many gifts that, or one of the many room decorations that Disney does. You've got our Castaway deals. You got the lights on the bed. You've got an alarm clock with some charging units. A phone for the room. Over here we have the TV. We have the TV and some more storage. Refrigerator should be under here. There you go, you got your little fridge. Opens that way. There's something in there for the Bon Voyage package. You got plugs, the Wave phones that you could carry around with you. Another cupboard. That's the cupboard there. This is a storage area. Usually they put the bedding or something in here, or we use it for storage. We do not have a drop down, but we do have a pull out or sofa for the bed where Caitlin will sleep. Take a look at that. Some artwork. Let's take a look at the bathrooms. More artwork over here. This is a deluxe family, so it's got a split bedroom. Turn on the light. There we go. Turn on the light in here. And it's a full shower, almost a full bathtub. See that? You can sink so you can get ready while somebody else is in the other one. You can take a shower. There is the H2O products. We have the room with the toilet and another sink. Like I said, the split bathroom design is so awesome for you. So now we can go out. This is an oversized. We're actually all the way aft of the ship on deck 6. So we actually have an oversized veranda with 2 chairs. Usually you only get 2 chairs. You get these 2 chairs and a table, and your feet are right up against there. But now we have the full loungers and the 2 chairs, and then this oversized deck. The flag can flap around, but here's Port Canaveral. Or the rocket launcher stuff is right over there, you can see. You can open these to have access to other verandas if you like, but that's all for now. This is the room from the veranda view. So there you go. We'll see you at the next road drop. Bon voyage!